Would you believe me if I told you that you can make a soft, fluffy, homemade bread with 2 ingredients? Yes, 2. No eggs, no dairy, no kneading, and no yeast. I got this recipe from Cooking at Pam's Place, another YouTuber. I was curious to know if this would work as a non-dairy alternative bread for plant-based foodies. Stay locked in because I'm spilling the secret at the end to take this bread to the next level. Oh, and it's plant-based, so everybody wins. Before you scroll away thinking this is some kind of bread fairy tale, it's not. We're talking real, edible, delicious bread that takes almost no time and effort. Oh, and did I mention it's healthy too? Let's jump in. Here's what we're working with today. 3 cups of sifted self-rising flour, 1 3/4 cup of silken vanilla yogurt. I'm using a plant-based tofu yogurt because it's creamy and perfect for this recipe. And no, Greek yogurt won't work here. So don't even try it. First, preheat that oven to a toasty 375 Fahrenheit. While it's heating, let's get our loaf pan ready. Line it with parchment paper and fold the sides to create these handy handles. These make lifting the bread out later a breeze. No wrestling required. Now, sift your 3 cups of self-rising flour into a bowl. Sifting keeps the texture of the bread light and fluffy. Don't skip this step, it's worth it, I promise. Unbleached, no bromate, self-rising flour is a better alternative to bleached flour because it retains more nutrients like iron and B vitamins from the wheat. Plus, no aluminum baking powder means fewer additives and a cleaner, more wholesome bread. Next, we're adding 1 3/4 cup of silken tofu yogurt. Why silken? Because it's packed with a complete plant-based protein, good for your heart, bone health, and it gives the bread a soft, pillowy texture. Plus, it's dairy-free, so there's no cholesterol here. Just be sure not to use Greek yogurt. It's too thick, and trust me, you'll end up with a dough brick instead of bread. Grab a silicone spatula and mix it all together until it's well combined. If it feels too stiff, don't panic. Just add a little more yogurt, about 1/4 cup at a time until the dough is manageable. It should feel like thick cake batter, not cement. Once it's all mixed, spread the dough evenly in your prepared pan. Smooth out the top so it bakes evenly and pop it into the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Pro tip, check your bread halfway through. If the top is browning too fast, just lay a piece of parchment paper on top. Oh, and don't forget the knife test. Stick a knife in the middle, and if it comes out clean, you're good to go. Now, here's the goosh. This bread is the perfect blank canvas. You can top it with Smart Balance, pair it with soup, or add a drizzle of honey if you're feeling a little fancy. And here's a bonus tip. Add a pinch of cinnamon or garlic powder to the dough next time for a flavor twist. Look at that crumb structure. Soft, fluffy, and golden. This bread is so good, you won't believe it's made with only 2 ingredients. Who needs a bakery? All right, bread lovers, it's your turn. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my quick and healthy recipe videos. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Until next time, stay delicious. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.